countertop brackets, which is still our staple, our core. We make systems to support counters, vanities, different load capacities, visible and hidden, really the leader from a product standpoint. And again, the variety of applications. ADA compliance has become a big, big deal in the world of support, both residentially with new construction as we're planning on aging in place, as well as commercial. The Brayla has been a hit, not only at KBIS, but in general. We were very fortunate to be one of the KBIS Best of Show finalists, the longest and strongest support system that Federal Brace has launched to date. This spans over 36 inches. You've got almost an 800-pound load capacity here with two of the Brayla support systems. We've got a shelf in the back of it. We break this down, which is what we have on the floor for ease of shipping. We keep the cost minimal by really just being smart and practical about how these solutions ship out of our North Carolina warehouse.